Are you a ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or JVZoo affiliate? Here's the #1 way to pocket daily commissions without struggling, screwing around with a bunch of techie stuff or building complicated funnels. Ya know, there are affiliates who earn over $100,000 and there are those who never earn $100. And it's because there's a secret to earning daily from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. And that secret boils down to one thing: a system. No matter what anyone says, affiliate marketing is hard. You've got to find a product that actually converts. You have to build a bunch of web pages to promote it. You have to find a decent traffic source that won't rip you off. And then you have to cross your fingers and hope you make a sale. If you ever wanted to know how the top 5% of affiliate marketers pocket $1,000s in commissions, then this super simple, plug-and-play system is for you. The 12-minute method is a 3-step easy system that makes affiliate marketing work for you. Even if you're brand new, have failed in the past, or don't have thousands of dollars to get started. In fact, if you can order a pizza, you can be successful with this program. And you can get up and running in less than 12 minutes. We've created a short training video that will only be available online for the next 48 hours. Go here and check out this training before we shut it down.